Good solid victory tonight in Anaheim. The Avs outshoot the Ducks 37-25. Jonas Johansson makes 24 saves. Gave up just 1 goal in 2 games against the Ducks. So good solid 4 points for the Avs. Kyle Keefe, Peter McNabb. Let's quickly show you how this one happened. And the Avs had to beat Gibson early, get some momentum, start building some confidence, and they did just that. It was Andre Burakovsky in between the circles. Little puck luck right there. Boom, he finds it. He's had a couple of those here lately where he's found the puck and put it right in the back of the net. Right place, right time. So that was good. Later, 5-on-3. They've been snake bit on the 5-on-3, and here they find the back of the net. It's the captain, his 16th this season. They're up 2-0. Later, 2-1. A little nervous energy, and Ryan Graves, his first goal of the season, kind of a plinko goal. Goes off a couple players. Brian Getzlaf, he'll take it. 3-1, and then just for good measure, Cale Makar threading the needle to Nathan MacKinnon. Just so awesome to watch. Nonetheless, the guys get the 2 points. Pete, they got the Arizona Coyotes tomorrow, and then just game.
Yeah, it's just every other day. My family said to me, do you ever get 2 days? No, you just don't. So if you're looking at the Avalanche schedule, it's either a day off or it's back-to-back, which the situation is with Arizona tomorrow night. And, you know, it's just the way that it is. And I think for all players on every team around the National Hockey League, you knew what this was going to be inside of this schedule. You started late. The coronavirus, I think it's been 50 games it's canceled so far, so things are going to be backed up here and there, and you just have to deal with it. And I think the Avalanche, to this point, have done a fantastic job of dealing with it. They've had that one game in Minnesota where they didn't play well. But other than that, they have really showed up almost every single night with a real good effort.
24 hours from right now, we're back at it. We start our coverage 6 o'clock against the Coyotes.